Best deals.
1. Yogurt filter. Features a BPA-free, food-grade stainless steel sieve that ensures smooth straining and perfect creamy texture every time. Made from high-quality rust-resistant stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting use, easy cleaning, and safe food handling. Enjoy fresh, natural, and chemical-free dairy preparations at home. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Laundry bag. The foldable design of this 51.8-liter plastic laundry basket allows you to store it easily when not in use, maximizing space in small homes, apartments, or dorm rooms. Ideal for clothes storage in tight spaces. Whether in the bedroom, bathroom, or kids' playroom, the storage basket accommodates dirty clothes, toys, or household items, making it a practical solution for every corner of your home. With smooth, movable wheels, carrying heavy laundry loads becomes effortless. Whether you are taking your clothes to the washing machine or to the laundromat, this basket makes the process faster and more convenient. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Pipe seal hose. The silicone ring serves as sealing plug and flow drains for toilets, washing machines and drain tanks, applied for preventing water seepage and so on. Suitable for most drain pipe and sewer opening, it can bring convenience to your daily life. Made of high-quality silicone material. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Glass jar. Each jar features a secure, airtight lid that locks in freshness and prevents moisture or pests from affecting your stored items. Ideal for preserving the flavor and aroma of tea. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Brush. Dual-sided brush with soft flannel and silicone head efficiently wipes away dust, dirt and water from mesh, glass and tile surfaces without scratching. Perfect for cleaning window mesh. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Storage bag. Protects your underwear from dust and moisture while keeping your closet organized, reducing clutter for a stress-free experience. Utilize your leftover wardrobe space to neatly organize small garments like leggings, bra, panties, dupattas, vest, cosmetics. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Microwave stand. You can adjust the height through different hole when you install it. The compact stand is easily portable from one room to other and can be accommodated in every place. The microwave oven stand is made with powder-coated metal which gives an elegant look to your kitchen or workspace. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Dryer rack. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this holder is lightweight, rust-proof, and durable with a strong load capacity, built to last for years. The powerful adhesive ensures firm attachment, holding your hair dryer safely in place while preventing slips or falls. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Cleaning brush. You can access all areas with the home tub and tile floor scrubbing brush. This has been made possible by our high-grade durable long telescopic handle, which can be easily extended from 48 inches to 58.2 inches with a secure locking mechanism. Scrubber is made of high-quality PP material, stainless steel and iron while threaded joints tighten the rods with firm locking. The padded handle provides a soft, non-slip and comfortable grip, making it easy to hold even when wet. When cleaning is done, you can hang your bathroom scrubber on the wall using the utility hook, keeping clutter to a minimum. Featuring a tough bristle brush head for deep cleaning tiles, floors, walls, toilets, and tubs, a gentle sponge head for delicate surfaces, and a soft microfiber pad for mirrors, glass, and sinks, our brush has got you covered. And with its detachable heads that are quick and easy to switch out, cleaning has never been more convenient. Plus, replacement refills are available, making it even easier to keep your brush in top condition. The super absorbent material effortlessly removes dirt and grime from windows and glass surfaces, leaving them spotless and shiny. Its easy-to-use design attaches securely to the brush head, preventing accidental scratches on delicate surfaces. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Ginger grater. Made from durable, food-safe ceramic with sharp grating teeth for efficient results without altering taste. Smooth porcelain prevents food buildup and bacterial growth, Simply rinse or toss in the dishwasher after use. With this garlic grater plate, designed for precise and efficient food prep, enjoy freshly grated ingredients that elevate flavor while saving time. Small 11 cm size is easy to hold, store, and use, ideal for quick prep and small portions. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Dish drying mat. Expertly crafted from flexible silicone, this durable mat is heat and water resistant, ensuring long-lasting strength for everyday kitchen use. Mat features unique diagonal ridges and a specially designed lip for efficient water drainage directly into the sink. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Organizer. Featuring a modern design with a clear acrylic cover, this organizer prevents dust or makeup powder from settling on your makeup tools. Made from premium PET material, this makeup brush holder is durable and odorless. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Grill pan. They add iron to the food that makes food even healthier. They can last longer with proper seasoning and care. Tasty. Expect improved taste when cooking in cast iron grill pan. Grill pan is pre-seasoned with edible oil, so one can start cooking in it. Clean the grill pan completely using mild liquid water and pat dry using a soft cloth. Then apply cooking oil all over a surface and leave it for 6 hours. And then heat the grill pan under medium flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, switch it off and let it cool down completely. Repeat the process for 3 to 4 times before starting to cook to get your desired result. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Glass teapot. Crafted from durable, heat-resistant borosilicate glass that withstands high temperatures without cracking or shattering. The smooth, non-porous borosilicate glass surface makes cleaning effortless. Microwave safe for added convenience and time saving in your daily routine. Features a premium stainless steel infuser for a smooth, flavorful brew, while the matching lid helps retain heat and preserve freshness. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Toothbrush cover case. Forms a tight dust-proof barrier, shielding brush heads from germs, harmful particles. Fits most manual, electric toothbrushes. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Portable blender. Designed with a powerful motor and durable 304 stainless steel blades, a personal blender whips up smoothies, protein shakes, or even crushed ice in seconds, fast, smooth, and effortless every time. Built-in 3000 mAh rechargeable battery with USB Type-C charging lets you blend anywhere, at home, work, gym, or while traveling. Compact design easily fits into bags or car holders. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Frying pan. Crafted with precision, the Japanese-style non-stick pan ensures durability and longevity, providing a reliable cooking companion for your kitchen endeavors. The pan boasts a non-stick surface that effectively prevents food from sticking, reducing the need for excessive cooking oil. This feature promotes healthier cooking by allowing the use of minimal edible vegetable oil. The frying pan is robust and built to withstand regular use. Its flat bottom and easy grip handle provide stability, making it easy to handle while cooking your favorite meals. The easy grip handle is designed for comfort during use, ensuring a secure and ergonomic grip. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Clothes rack. 360 degrees rotating design for easy access. Smooth rotating hook allows you to view and select caps or accessories effortlessly without removing the hanger from the closet rod. Perfect for storing baseball caps, hats, socks, scarves, ties, belts, masks, and small accessories securely without slipping. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Tea infuser. Whether you prefer hot or cold tea, this infuser is designed to cater to your preferences. It's suitable for brewing a variety of teas, from traditional black or green tea to herbal or fruit infusions. With its compact size and spill-proof lid, this infuser is perfect for brewing tea on the go. It's ideal for use at home, in the office, or while traveling, allowing you to enjoy your favorite beverages wherever you are. Using a tea infuser allows you to customize the strength and flavor of your tea. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Under sink storage organizer. Height reaches 5 inches and can hold most bottles even in the bottom layer. With it, the messy place is immediately organized, and all kinds of scattered stuffs find their proper place. It can be easily assembled within 2 minutes by connecting 4 support tubes to the baskets. No tools required. It will not break the furniture or wall without hole punching installation. The baskets are made of high-quality ABS plastic materials. 4 support tubes adopt spray painting and thickening wrought iron body, good rust prevention and supporting heavy. Under sink storage organizer is hollowed out, and the bottom tier is raised, which ensure ventilation and no water accumulation, especially suitable for use in bathrooms and kitchens. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Cooking pot. A sleek, versatile glass sauce pot made from premium borosilicate glass that's built to handle the heat. Whether you are cooking on the stove or microwaving up to 300 degrees Celsius, this pot is your go-to for everything from simmering soups to baking hearty meals. Its crystal clear design lets you monitor your food without lifting the lid. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Chopper. This sturdy and durable chopper is what you require for your kitchen. Replace the blades with a mixing stick if you are done with chopping. It's great for mixing salad, making sauces, stirring eggs and cream. Chopper can be easily removed. The lid, blades and the storage bowl can be separated, so it will be cleaned easily. Although manual handheld chopper runs without electricity, the blades give it plenty of power. Cut what you want into small pieces and put it in. Accessories include 1. Chopper, for chopping food items like tomatoes, onions, chilies etc. 2. Egg whisker and separator or whipping up smooth and fluffy batter for omelets. 3. Comes with 5 different types of slicers, slicing blade, wavy slicer, 3-way julienne slicer, shredder, and grater. 4. Juicer. The chopper comes with a holder that protects your hands from accidental injuries. The chopper also has blade box and chopping blade protector which make it the safest kitchen tool to use. The blades and the body of the chopper are made of high-quality BPA-free materials that enhance its durability. The chopper helps you save time and effort by letting you chop a large quantity of vegetables in a short period of time. It also protects your eyes and hands from irritation or burns that certain raw vegetables may cause. It is a mess-free solution for hassle-free cooking. Ergonomically designed handle for comfortable grip and easy operation, suitable for users of all experience levels. Detachable components make cleaning a breeze, dishwasher safe for added convenience. The storage box provides a safe and secure place for blades, preventing accidents and ensuring easy access when needed. Compact design minimizes storage space, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. Sleek stainless steel construction adds a touch of modernity to your kitchen decor. Compact design with integrated blade organization system keeps all components readily accessible and neatly stored. Features 360-degree hand protection system with ergonomic design to prevent direct contact with sharp blades during operation. You have never seen such a strong vegetable cutting board. You can use different heads according to your needs. It is more convenient for you to cook. This spiral cutter ensures that both blades are contained in the securely closed spiral to have a soothing feeling. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Chai maker. Get perfectly brewed kadak chai in 8 to 10 minutes with zero supervision. Unlike stovetop brewing that demands constant attention, this automatic chai maker lets you start your brew and walk away, tend to kids, pack lunches, or get ready while your chai brews itself. No more burnt milk, no boil overs, just consistent results every single time. Reclaim 15 minutes every morning, that's 90 plus hours per year. For what matters, traditional stovetop chai demands 15 to 20 minutes of active attention, stirring, watching, preventing spills. This chai maker needs just 30 seconds of your time, add ingredients, press button, walk away. Those saved minutes mean actually finishing your chai while it's hot. One more bedtime story. or simply breathing before the chaos begins. Small daily time savings that add up to something life-changing. 4 smart modes in one compact appliance. Declutter your kitchen. Why juggle multiple appliances when one does it all? Switch between chai mode for your morning tea, boil mode for hot milk or water, coffee mode for your afternoon pick-me-up, and cold froth for iced lattes. The 600 megaliters carafe handles all your family's hot beverage needs while taking up minimal counter space, perfect for busy moms who value efficiency and organization. The perfect no-spill sweet spot. We've engineered this chai maker to brew 400 megaliters, 2 cups, at the optimal level to prevent spills and ensure perfect results every time. The smart auto shut-off kicks in right when your chai reaches peak flavor, preventing overboiling and messy cleanups. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Cake Decorating Set. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these nozzles are resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance. The included piping bag is made from durable material, designed for multiple uses, and is easy to clean, making it an eco-friendly choice. Suitable for various decorating techniques. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Organizer. Features a large drawer that provides ample space to store skincare products, perfumes, lipsticks, makeup brushes, and other beauty essentials. Keep everything neatly organized and easily accessible in one place. Designed with a modern white finish, this cosmetic organizer adds a stylish, elegant touch to your dressing table or vanity. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Idly Plates. Made from premium stainless steel, this idly maker ensures durability, rust resistance, and long-lasting performance for everyday cooking. Comes with 6 idly plates, allowing you to prepare multiple idlis at once, making it ideal for family meals or gatherings. Choose the perfect size for your needs with options of 4 idly plate or 6 idly plate configurations, ideal for both small and large households. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Organizer. Adjustable compartments. Customize the interior space to fit clothes, shoes, bedding, or seasonal items with ease. Dust-proof and durable fabric protects your belongings from dust, dirt, and moisture while keeping them fresh and clean. Transparent cover design quickly identifies stored items without unzipping or opening the organizer. Space-saving under bed fit, slim, low-profile design that slides easily under most beds, sofas, or cabinets. Sturdy handles for easy access. Reinforced handles allow you to pull out and carry the organizer effortlessly. Foldable and lightweight, easy to collapse and store away when not in use. The transparent PVC cover lets you quickly and easily identify your shoes without opening the box. Maximize under-bed space to keep your shoes organized and your room clutter-free. The secure zipper and durable material protect your footwear from dust, dirt, and moisture. The sturdy handle makes it easy to pull the organizer out from under the bed. This organizer is also great for storing clothes, blankets, toys, and more in closets or on shelves. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Processor. Can help in atta mixer, vegetable chopping, salad cutter and extracting juice. Makes your kitchen work easy and fun. It comes with multiple detachable sharp stainless steel chopping blades for multi-purpose use. The strong and unbreakable atta kneading blade is used to make dough in a minute. This food processor has 2-speed setting for maximum control, and for best results, use the low speed setting, speed 1, to whip cream, beat eggs, create pastries and bread dough. Unbreakable food processing bowl made up of transparent polycarbonate material with 800 ml capacity. This food processor includes 1 kneader blade for atta kneader, 1 food processor 800 ml bowl, 1 citrus juicer attachment, 1 slicer blade for slicing veggies, 1 chopper blade and 1 shredder blade. Designed for efficiency and durability, blades ensure smoother textures and consistent results, capable of blending and grinding ingredients in under 1 minute. The Chef Assist is equipped with an 800W heavy-duty motor, offering high performance and durability to tackle tough ingredients easily, whether making dosa batter, chutneys, or smoothies. Product link is given in the 28th link.